सुप्रभात। आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य महोदया, सिस्टर मंजूषा, स्कूल प्रबंधक महोदया, सिस्टर शिवा, मिस डी.चार, अध्यापक एवं अध्यापिका वर्ग और मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, जैसा कि आप सभी को विदित है कि आज हम सब शिक्षक दिवस के उपलक्ष्य पर यहाँ एकत्रित हुए हैं। आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। 5 सितंबर डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन की जयंती को शिक्षक दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है।
सुप्रभात आदरणीय स्कूल प्रधानाचार्य महोदया, सिस्टर मंजूषा, स्कूल प्रबंधक महोदया, सिस्टर शिवा, सिस्टर्स, मिस टीचर्स, शिक्षक एवं शिक्षिका वर्ग और मेरे प्रिय सहपाठियों, आज हम जूनियर वर्ग की छात्राएं शिक्षक दिवस के इस शुभ अवसर पर एकत्रित हुए हैं। आप सभी महान शिक्षकों को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज मैं एक गाथा सुनाने आया हूँ। जो नहीं जानते उनको ये बतलाने आया हूँ। केवल शब्द ही नहीं, अर्थ में मैं व्यापक हूँ। मैं एक अध्यापक हूँ। मैं एक अध्यापक हूँ। बच्चों को शिक्षा का महत्व समझाने आया हूँ। अभिभावक को कर्तव्यों का बोध कराने आया हूँ। संविधान में शिक्षा के अधिकारों का विचारक हूँ। मैं एक अध्यापक हूँ। मैं एक अध्यापक हूँ। चूल्हे से निकाल नारी को सक्षम बनाने आया हूँ। हर पथ पर उसका मैं हौसला बढ़ाने आया हूँ। नारी शिक्षा के क्षेत्र का निरंतर का धरावक हूँ। मैं एक अध्यापक हूँ। मैं एक अध्यापक हूँ। धन्यवाद। शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
हे परमपिता परमेश्वर, आज शिक्षक दिवस है और हम अपने प्रिय शिक्षकों को ईमानदारी से धन्यवाद देना चाहते हैं तथा उनके प्रयासों की प्रशंसा करते हैं ताकि हम भारत के वास्तविक नागरिक बन सकें। अनुवाक्य: प्रार्थना में जो कुछ मांगा पूरा करो वरदान। प्रार्थना में जो कुछ मांगा पूरा करो वरदान। of class UKG are here to entertain you with some delightful rhymes. Safety is not a gadget but a state of mind. With this thought, our first rhyme is about traffic lights. One. Red light, what do you say? I say stop and stop right away. मैं बोली जले अदनिया पैसे देके दुकानदार से मैं बोला बाबू देखो धनिया थोड़ा सा बनने कर उसने रख दिया मैं थोड़ा सा धनिया मैंने बोला बाबू बनिया कागज बेच रहे या धनिया अमेरिका
ধিতাম ধিতাম বলি কে মাদলে কান্তলে তার আনন্দ ছলে আকাশ ভরে যোজনায় ধিতাম ধিতাম বলি কে মাদলে কান্তলে তার আনন্দ ছলে আকাশ ভরে যোজনায় আয় ছুটে সকলে এই মাটির ধরা তলে আজ হাসির কলরলে নতুন জীবন গড়িয়ায় আয় রে আয় লগন বয়ে যায় গুর গুর করে যাবির সীমানায় পারুর বন্ডাকে চম্পা চোখে আয় মুরগির সভাকে খবর বেঁধে আয় আয় রে আয় আয় রে আয় আয় রে আয় আয় রে আয়
This is the tribute to Dalilah.
काजळ लावणे आले मी आज असं नका बघू अहो येते मला लाज केला शृंगार आज घातलाय असाच दिसते मी भारी जणू अप्सरा मी खास नखरे वाली कुठे निघाली घालत साडी लाल गुलाबी पागल करते तुझी मोरनीशी चाल गुलाबी साडी आणि लाली लाल लाल दिसते मी भारी माझा फोटो माझा काल गुलाबी साडी आणि लाली लाल लाल दिसते मी भारी माझा फोटो माझा काल कला कमाले दिल्लियां बलौरी अखां कदे सवाल तेरे मोट ते मटकने तू एनी ते जाने गला दिलाले ने ते कीते पूरे हाल दिल बोलते पसंद पिया कला कमाले दिल्लियां बलौरी अखां कदे सवाल तेरे मोट ते मटकने तू एनी ते जाने गला दिलाले ने ते कीते पूरे हाल दिल
Thank you. Please be seated. First and foremost, I take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day, dear beloved teachers of primary. While I was getting this rose, I thought of each one of you. While I got this rose, I thought of each one of you, my dear little ones. You are this flower in the garden of Ramni. You are this flower in the garden of Ramni, and if you have bloomed today, it's because of my primary teachers. If you are all bloomed, it's because of primary teachers. And this is an auspicious day to congratulate all the teachers for your loving services to our institution. I always used to say, you are the pillar of this institution. The basic, the foundation, and on you the rest of the students are being molded and shaped. And if the pillars are strong, if the foundation is strong, any storm, any rain, nothing can affect you. That's why I owe much to my primary teachers. I know what difficult it is to teach you, to train you, to come over to the stage, to speak words of wisdom, to gain confidence, and with what confidence you can come over to the stage. Please keep quiet. Today is Teachers' Day. As I was telling you, you are the foundation, and in you the entire Ramni is being built. And it's up to you what kind of students that you will be bringing out from the primary session. There they are molded and shaped again and again to a fine human being. At the end, they get out of our gate and move out. So you need to be proud about yourself that you have got a greater responsibility in molding and shaping these young hearts. It's a greater responsibility, I say, because I can understand if a teacher is not there even for a minute, very especially with the little ones, it's very difficult to manage. So dear teachers, this is the reward that you get on Teachers' Day. An award of appreciation for all what you do. Uncountable blessings that you have brought to this institution over the years. And every teacher is important. Every teacher is important, valued and treasured by me. That you can be sure about. Because without you, my sitting there is impossible. If a school has to function well, the teachers needs to be the supporting pillars for the principal. And you are there for me. I can completely, with my closed eyes, I can rely on you. That's something very, very beautiful and outstanding. Be it be for any program, any function, anything asked of you, you give your 100%. You are not calculative. You are ready to walk an extra mile. And each of you think in this manner that my program should be the best. And that's how you work as a team and without any jealousy. Without any jealousy, that we work together as a team. This I have noticed from the very beginning itself. That is why I said you have played a major role in Ramni to bloom this rose here in the garden of Ramni. So on this special day, I congratulate you, dear teachers, for doing your best, giving your best, and being the smartest teachers in Ramni. I always used to appreciate or compare the teachers of Ramni and all or any other school. There is a gracefulness on your face, which is not found in any other institution. You may go and search and come back, I can award you. There is a special gracefulness on the face of every teacher entering in the portals of Ramni, which gives a positive feedback to the students, parents, and all our co-workers and everyone here. And your smile gives me the joy to move ahead. The morning wish, and you are coming to the office in the morning hours. The very first sight that you see, if I am there, it is me. And you begin the day and you also end the day so beautifully. So dear teachers, I appreciate you for all that you are and still shine more to bring and mold and shape these young hearts to a better human being for the society. God bless you. Once again, Happy Teachers Day. Smiling, smiling, I am tired. So we need a Glucon-D. Can you give me a glass of Glucon-D? The program was so nice. Good morning, sister, respected Sister Manjusha, teachers and students. Good morning. I thank you, dear students, for putting up such a wonderful program in order to honor and show respect to your teachers. It was really wonderful. I salute Dr. Radhakrishnan, who introduced a special day for teachers to honor them, to show respect towards them. Dear teachers, you may be teaching a student for 1 year or 2 years, but you are a teacher for that child for the whole of her life. Even after wedding, with the children, when they come back, they tell, teacher, you are my teacher. With pride, they say, you taught me. And teachers, I know that you are also happy when the children come back and tell you that you are my teacher. So, dear teachers, you have a very important role to play in students' life. You are a potter. A small portion of clay is given to you as a child. And it is your duty to mold that child, to give that child the shape and make that child a beautiful vessel, fitting for the nation, giving values, morals, all the more life in abundance. That is the important role teacher plays in the life of students. So dear teachers, I want to congratulate you and I want to say Happy Teachers' Day.